Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and I will be showing you today that how you can earn passive money with Honeygain. So Honeygain is like a software or a website that uses your internet data to a limit, and when the limit is completed it will give you the payout, and the internet data it uses will be shared to the Honeygain website for the exchange of money. And when the limit of the internet connection for it is completed, you will get the payout from right here. So there is one thing about Honeygain that everyone must know, is that Honeygain will always be running in the background. For whatever you do, the Honeygain must be running in the background if you want to earn the passive money with Honeygain. And to actually use Honeygain, the first thing you have to do is create your account on Honeygain. If you don't have an account, or if you have an account, you have to just sign in with Honeygain and you are good to go. Now, to actually download the Honeygain for your PC, what you have to do is you have to just go to the download app options, and you will be able to see these options. You have to just select this if you want to download it for Windows, and this if you want to download for Android, and this for Mac OS, this for iOS, and this for Linux. Now here is the thing, guys. Now, a few days later, these options were individually displayed, download for Windows here, download for Android here, and for Mac OS here. So but now these are just in a single option. So it's just because these websites keeps updating themselves, that's why this happens. Now if you don't find these options here, sometimes they are down here or here, so you can just download the app from here. So now I am using a Windows PC, so I'll just download it from, click on open, and this will this is just like the basic installation of any device or software that actually happens. Just select the location where you want to download it. I will select the location D and then click on install. Yes. So now when this is installed, guys, launch Honeygain on Windows Start. Now this is up to you, but I prefer to launch it on Windows Start because you want it to be always running in the background. So this is the Honeygain app, guys, and this will always be running in the background of your computer no matter what you do until you actually quit it. So how do you know that it's actually working? It will not always launch like this. So what you're going to do is you have to just go to this arrow, and then you have to right click this, and this will just show you the main things that it usually shows, like how much you're sharing and what is your today's credits. Now to open Honeygain, you can select this, and if you want to quit the Honeygain, you can just select this. So if you have good connection and unlimited data, this is a good way to make active passive money. But if you don't have good connection or unlimited data, this is not certainly a good option for you. So this method certainly will not make you super rich, but still this is one of the most considerable methods to earn money. So that's it for the video, guys. If you want me to make more videos on this type of stuff, just comment down below and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. See you again.